some battling its way in from the east. Between those two weather systems, some clearish weather to start the night and already some frost in Scotland. That frosty weather extending down across in towards the more southern areas of the country within the next few hours. But out across Northern Ireland and also in Cornwall, temperatures, if anything, just lifting a little overnight. And that's as this area of cloud bringing very slowly a little patchy rain in from the west begins to thicken up. That's because of this weather system here, this low pressure area, beginning to push its rain in at almost a snail's pace right now. But certainly in Northern Ireland, the western fringes of Scotland, and later in the night across the southwest and Wales too, it'll become cloudy and wet. There could well be some sleet and snow, mostly I think if there's any up over the hills. For example here, by the end of the night there could be some snow over the Welsh mountains. Further across in central and eastern areas we've got a different wind flow coming in off the North Sea, and as over the last few days and nights that means a few showers coming into the east coast areas, which as they blow inland towards some of the hillier regions could again give a little bit more in the way of fresh snowfall. There's what the temperatures are going to look like tonight then. The hardest frost in Scotland over the snowfields, but fairly frosty cold night in many areas apart from in the west. Here as you'll see not only the cloud coming in but a strengthening southeasterly wind too. Now this weather front here is going to break as it moves in across the western and southern counties of the country, I should think, during tomorrow. It's a little bit problematical, but this is what looks like it'll happen. Blocked by this high pressure, bringing that different weather type in from the east. So the more western and maybe some southern counties also seeing cloudy weather with rain over the hills, a little sleet and snow, whereas central and eastern areas will have the wind off the North Sea, bringing those wintry showers, which will blow fair ways inland, for example, over northeast England and in towards eastern and central areas of Scotland. This area of rain, sleet and snow making very little, if any, progress, but it may move up into some central, southern and southeast areas of the country before mostly beginning to fizzle out during tomorrow afternoon. For many areas, tomorrow will be a rather chill day. Looking further ahead, more weather systems beginning to battle their way in from the Atlantic and heading south.